Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a fantastic footwear option that many people are raving about. If you're on the lookout for the best waterproof clogs, you're in for a treat with the ChayChax men's and women's arch support clogs. Designed with comfort, versatility, and style in mind, these clogs are perfect for anyone who needs a reliable pair for outdoor activities or casual wear. So, let's get into the details. First off, let's talk about the unique features that set these clogs apart from the rest. The ChayChax clogs boast an innovative insole designed to provide superior arch support. This means that whether you're spending a day in the garden or running errands, your feet will remain comfortable and supported. The cushioning absorbs impact, which reduces stress on your feet, joints, and back. This is a major plus for anyone who values comfort during long hours of wear. But comfort isn't all that these clogs have to offer. The ChayChax clogs are incredibly lightweight, making them easy to slip on and off. Whether you're heading to the beach or just stepping out to grab the mail, these clogs can quickly become your go-to choice. Plus, with a variety of colors available, including a sleek black gold option, you can choose a pair that best fits your style. Now, let's address the practicality of these clogs. They're designed with breathable ventilation ports that allow for excellent airflow, keeping your feet cool even on the hottest days. And if you happen to get them dirty, no worries. The clogs are easy to clean, and the removable insole makes maintenance a breeze. Just toss them in the washing machine, and they're good as new. These clogs are not just functional, they're versatile too. Whether you're gardening, heading to the beach, or just lounging around the house, the ChayChax clogs can seamlessly adapt to any environment. They offer a blend of style and functionality, making them suitable for both indoor and outdoor activities. At a price point of $34.99, these clogs provide remarkable value for the quality you receive. They're built to last and designed with thoughtful features that cater to your comfort and style needs. For anyone looking for an affordable yet high-quality clog, the ChayChax men's and women's arch support clogs are a smart investment. With an orthopedic footbed, these clogs not only feel good but are also beneficial for your foot health. If you've struggled with discomfort in other shoes, switching to these might just be the game changer you need. In conclusion, if you're searching for the best waterproof clogs, look no further than the ChayChax clogs. They blend comfort, practicality, and style into one fantastic product. Don't forget to check out the link in the description below to grab your pair today. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more product insights, and let us know in the comments what other products you'd like us to review. Until next time, happy shopping.